Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to style the older and previous links at the bottom of the blog here. So if you go into our theme files and you go into index, you'll see that there's this the underscore post underscore navigation function here. Since WordPress 4.1, this was a built-in function, so you no longer have to create your own function for pagination. So what I did was go into Google and I just searched for this and found the codex right here, which is actually this link. And if you scroll down, you can see that they provide an array where you can actually change the previous and post or previous and next text. So that's what I'm going to do first, because what I want to do is copy the components buttons, and I want to put a little icon in here instead of saying previous and older. I'm going to change older post and newer post to just some icons, and then style it with these classes here. So to do that, I need to grab this array here, copy that, and I'm going to put it in right here. And instead of older post, I'm going to go and grab just the material design icon, copy that, put it in here. This underscore underscore is translation ready, but since we're just using icons, we don't need the translation. So do something like that. I'm going to save that file just for now to see if it works, and reload page 2 here. Looks like I have an error on line 45. It looks like it's because of this right here. Looks like I need another bracket, because this one is closing this one is closing the array, and this one is closing the navigation. So we'll save that, refresh, and now we're good to go. So we scroll down here, see that we have that little icon. So I want to go to the icon section. Let's close this. Where can I get the icons? Customize maybe? No. Styles. There we go. Preview icons. I want the before and after arrows. So under navigation, I'm going to use the arrow back and arrow forward. So arrow, is that how you do it? Icon font. Yep. I want to copy this same thing here and put it in right here. Arrow back. Alright, save that. Reload our page here. Looks good. Now we just need to style them correctly. So back on Material Design Light, go to Components, Buttons, and I'm going to get all these right here, these classes, and we're just going to extend it. So in our SAS, see if there's a place that we want to put it. So we can put it in Post and Pages. I'm just going to paste it in here for a second so I can go get the class that I need. Inspect. Let's see what they're called here. Let's use nav links. Let's see if this works. Nav links. And I want to get all the A tags within nav links, and I'm going to extend. Then I'm going to do this. Dot. You You can leave it on the same line, it doesn't matter. I'm just trying to make it look nice. Alright, we'll save that. As long as our gold task is running, it looks like it is. Refresh the page. Let's see what we have here now. There we go, we have the two buttons. So now we just need to make one go to the left and one go to the right. So maybe if we float right, and in our nav previous float right, and nav next float left. Let's see what that does for us. Reload. So that's going to go back to the home page. You can see the URL right there. And this is going to go to page 3. So that's exactly what we're looking for. Perfect. Works great. So this tutorial went over how to add some styles and extend them and update the function a little bit here. So what we should do, and clean this up a little bit. Tab this in. What you need to do is copy this, find in files, paste that in there, find. So it looks like it's being used also in the archives page and the search page. So what we need to do is also copy this function and go into our archives page and paste it into here, and our search page and paste it into here as well, so that our navigation will show up on those two pages as well. So now we need to commit this to our GitHub page. I'm going to do git status, see all some of the things that we changed. This has some stuff from our last tutorial where I showed you how to override some of the material design light, but that's fine. Git add all, git commit message, style pagination, paste that in there, git push origin master. So that should be all updated. So I'm going to end this tutorial here and we'll pick up from where we left off.